Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We're out here at the carving yard today, getting ready to carve a big eagle piece out of this log. All right, I am 6'1", maybe 6'2", with the work boots on, and you guys can see this is probably about 7 feet or so. Plan is to use most of this log, kind of bring it down, have a soaring eagle in here, maybe the American flag. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. We're kind of just gonna wing it. We are going to be running the 441 mag, 271, couple 250s, a 170, and a 193. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe, guys. When you hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all so you don't miss any future uploads. And if you want to learn how to chainsaw carve, I got a full playlist, beginner tutorials teaching you how to do that. Also started a brand new channel called Chainsaw Rescue. I have it linked in the bottom in the description below. You guys can go there, check it out. We'll be working on chainsaws, bringing them back to life, just doing general fixes and giving tips to help those you getting your saws, help you guys get your saws running good. So yeah, with that, let's start making some sawdust. Hey guys, check it out. This is day 2. Working on that eagle carving. Got smaller detail saws, got a generator for power tools out here at the carving yard. If you guys are still with me, be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. It's currently October 2023, and if we can hit 30,000 subscribers before the end of December 2023, I'm gonna give away a brand new chainsaw. That's the plan. But we got to hit 30,000 subscribers. So that means you got to hit subscribe. You got to share the video. You got to get your friends, your family, everybody engaged and watching, liking videos, and hitting subscribe. And one lucky winner will win a, well, brand new chainsaw. At least that's the plan. We'll see though. I think you guys can do it. I really do. I think you guys can do it. I know I can't do it. I need your help. So smash that subscribe button, guys. Hit that bell, hit all, turn on YouTube notifications, and don't go anywhere. So we're gonna fire up some chainsaws and start doing some detail work next. Hey guys, check it out. Here it is, the completed piece. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe, especially if you guys made it this far. I've got chainsaw carving tutorials on here, teaching beginners on how to carve and run chainsaws and things like that. You guys can subscribe and find those videos to help you on your way to, you know, chainsaw carving and having some fun. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of this carving though. This is pretty fun. I think the customer's gonna be pretty happy with it. All one piece, obviously, except for the flag. I enjoy being creative though, being able to have freedom to just create a piece sometimes for a customer without having too many restraints on it. So I'm pretty happy with this. If you guys didn't hear earlier though, be sure to check out my other channel, Chainsaw Rescue. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. Also check out my son's channel. It's called Dirt Ripper. I'll have those linked down below. He's focusing on sports. Right now it's football, NFL, and college football, so can help him grow his channel as well. On top of that, if I can hit 30,000 subscribers at the end of this year, we're going to give away a brand new chainsaw to one lucky winner. So share it up, like it, hit subscribe. Let's hit that 30,000 subs before the end of December 2023, and we'll give a brand new chainsaw away. Really appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.